Hey everyone, it is your favorite little brown girl, the green hair. My name is Nazhi. If you are new to my channel, welcome. And if you are not new, welcome back to my channel. Don't forget to subscribe, hit that post notification bell so you guys can get notified for every time I post. Give this video a big thumbs up. And don't forget to comment down below some video suggestions or anything that you have in mind, because on this channel I will not only be doing baking videos. So yeah, as you guys can see by the title, today we will be making Nutella brownies. A lot of people ask me, how do you make your brownies in general, and how do you get that flaky crust on top? So today I will be showing you how to make the perfect brownie, but with Nutella. So without any further ado, let's just get to baking.